So have you heard about this second place Sons group? Apparently they have chapters all over Canada, despite, I suspect, not reading at grade level. And yeah, it's pretty bad when a dyslexic cartoon chicken is mocking your reading skills, boys. These guys, who I imagine never learned how to talk to girls or that it is not gay to wipe your hole effectively, are part of what's being billed as activity groups. The activity that they apparently do together is stroking each other's paranoia and blaming anyone not as white as a transphobic billionaire for all of their problems. Ironic, given that their lack of education, lack of a fair wage, and lack of mental health supports all do stem from people who, based on their appearance, this group assumes would be upstanding Canadians. Here's the thing though, racism is dumb. Hating someone based on their skin color is ridiculous. Anyone who's taken high school biology should know that we have figured out that humanity originated in Africa. As a species, we spent most of our time in Africa. We really only left a small percentage of our collective existence ago. For most of our existence as a species, we had lots of melanin. And that's the thing that makes black people black. I remember learning in high school biology about gene mutations and how generally they're not great for people. Most of the time, it doesn't make us better. White people exist because at some point somebody got a busted gene that was responsible for making melanin. White people, we are mutants. Even other people who we would describe as brown, they're mutants. The thing that makes us lighter is that we have genes that don't do what they used to do. They don't produce as much of a pigment that we evolved to have for the purposes of dealing with UV light safer. Now, culturally, there can be lots of differences between black people and white people because of shared histories among us mutants. We do things certain ways because that's how our parents did it and that's how their parents did it and yada yada yada. And for a long time, modern transportation didn't exist, so we didn't see each other a lot and we just thought that's how humans do. But not handling UV light as well does not make us smarter or better or somehow more moral or more deserving of Canada. It just means that we're a little bit more likely to get cancer and get sunburns. So don't be racist.